Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert combo chart in Excel 2016. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am select some data, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Now I am click the all chart option. Then go to the combo option. Now you can see here many combo chart, column or line or the stacked area, clustered column or the chart. Now I am select the clustered column and line secondary axis. You can change the line, otherwise you can make this area another. Now I am select this area and click OK. Now we can see we insert a combo chart easily. You can rename the title, click inside the title and rename this. Otherwise you can change the color. Go to the chart design menu, select the color drop down menu. We can see here many color or another format. You can change the color of the chart. Otherwise you can add another style. You can add any layout or remove any layout. Now we can see we insert combo chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.